Well, it's early November and I wanted to get some chains put on my Toolcat before the snow starts flying. As you can see here, I have a turf tire. It's a 29, 12 and a half, 15 tire. And here's the chains that I bought. They're a P-Wag. I bought them off of etrailer. You can see the stock number there, and I can put a link to this in the description below. And I also bought a set of couple pair of tire chain tighteners as well to go with it. So we don't get a ton of snow here, but we do get a few storms a year where it'll dump 12 inches, 18 inches, maybe 20 inches. And so I just wanted to order some chains, get something in place before winter, and wanted to try them out while the weather was still good, just to make sure that they fit and everything. So I did quite a bit of research on the internet. I saw where some folks were just changing the tires out completely, moving to like a truck tire. But I wanted to try chains first. After doing the research, I'd originally planned on just putting chains on one set of the tires, but read where people had suggested that may cause issues. So I ended up getting two pair. I looked all over trying to find something that would fit this tire size, and again, finally found something on etrailer. They're about $200 per pair. So for all four tires, it cost me about $400 to put these chains on. Given that this is the first time that I've ever put chains on a set of tires, you can see I kind of fumble around here and try to get them right. Basically what I found is that you need to, at least for my tires, I needed to have them on the second link. So the first time I think I had the back side on the third link, and then the front side ended up with the first link, and so switched it over so that both sides then worked on the second link. The rear tires were a little bit more difficult. I don't know if they just had more weight on them or what, but had a bit more challenge getting the rear tire chains put on. But all in all, it went pretty well. I only ended up using the chain tensioners on the front tires. The rear tires, the chain was on there so snug that it didn't really make sense to add those tensioners. You'll see here in the video that once I get one set of tires, the chains on them, take the Toolcat for just a quick spin, and bring back and just make sure that everything's tight. In the case of the rear tires, I wasn't actually able to get the third cam tightened until after actually taking it just for a short spin to, I guess, get things centered and whatnot. So that seemed to help out with the process of getting these things on. If anyone has any tips or tricks to make this process easier or quicker, please leave a comment below. I'd sure appreciate it. Like I said, they went on fairly well, but I'm sure there's some things that I could have done that would have made this go a little bit smoother. As you'll see here, I got about an inch of space, maybe a little bit more than an inch between the chain and the strut there. As tight as I got these put on, I think that's going to work for me. So now I'm just going to take it for a quick spin now that I got both front tires, the chains on, and come back and just make sure everything's still tight and looking good.